We've been in the supplying ozone laundry equipment for 20 plus years. That technology is 100% safe. We've not had, knock on wood, we've never had a single problem. Ozone, what it does is it's 3 molecules of oxygen. It is an extremely powerful oxidant. It disinfects, it cleans staph, MRSA, C. diff. Go down the list of really high, what we call superbugs. It kills it. We've got independent lab tests that say so. But really, what's amazing is, and you can't capture this on film, but when you put your nose into it and you have this just wonderful fresh smell, it's hard to relate that until you've actually physically touched it and seen it. We put them into nursing homes. A lot of times you go to nursing homes and you'll kind of got a funk through the lawn for the facility. A lot of that is the linens having a residual smell. They're clean, they've been washed, but they have a smell. Ozone makes that problem go. Using them in laundromats are catching on more and more and more, because when the people unload, they know it's clean, it's disinfected, it smells great, and it aids in cleaning as well. It breaks the soils down. It helps the detergents lift and remove that soil. So you know that you're offering a customer a wonderful experience, that things are clean and corona free. Well, what it is, it's a standalone system. And there's 2 different philosophies of how to introduce ozone into washing machines. The one we use is a direct injection, so we actually put it directly into the sump, and then it mixes in with the water and the linens at that point. And we measure that amount of ozone is in it, so we only keep it about 1 part per million. Another system is that we can put it in through a venturi and dissolve that into water, and then take that water and then put it into the wash wheel. There's drawbacks for both. You got to be able to understand what you're doing and how it's done, and both can be effective. So it's a little bit a matter of choice and ease of application, which we like the direct injection. When ozone is done, it reverts back to oxygen, reverts back to O2. So there's literally no byproduct. And then when it's put down the drain, it also helps with the sewer smell and the cleaning of the pits and all that stuff. So sometimes in a laundromat, you get a drain pit back there that the machines drain into. We'll get a little bit of a foul odor, or even in the machines we'll get a foul odor. That all goes away. It kills all that, the biology, if you will, that creates that, and makes it all nice and clean and smell good.